Hi everyone, is your BlueView Speed 5G not turning on or charging? Don't worry, in this video we will show you how to fix the issue and get your phone working again. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Turn off your phone, remove the back cover by praying it open at the notch. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Reattach the back cover until it clicks. Fix 2. Inspect for dirt or grime. Check the charging port for dirt or lint. Clean the port with a soft brush or compressed air. Fix 3. Examine the battery. Turn off the phone and remove the back cover. If removable, take out the battery and inspect it for damage. Reinsert the battery securely. Put the back cover back on. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Look inside the charging port for dust or debris. Use a toothpick or a compressed air to clean it gently. Fix 5. Test the charger. Use a different compatible charger and a USB cable. Connect it to your phone and check for signs of charging. Fix 6. Check the power outlet. Plug another device into the same outlet to verify it works. Try using a different wall outlet if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.